Living in Arizona offers stunning desert views, endless sunshine, and warm weather nearly year-round. But with the beauty of the desert also comes a challenge that every homeowner understands: keeping energy costs under control. High temperatures and intense sunlight can send cooling bills soaring, especially during the summer months. That's why energy-efficient windows are one of the smartest investments Arizona homeowners can make. They not only improve comfort but also provide long-term savings perfectly suited for the desert climate. Why Arizona's climate demands better windows? In much of the country, homeowners deal with cold winters and fluctuating seasons. Arizona is different. The state's desert climate means intense sunlight that heats up interiors quickly. Long, hot summers where air conditioning runs nearly non-stop. Large day-to-night temperature swings that put stress on older windows and seals. Traditional single-pane windows or outdated frames simply can't keep up with these conditions. They allow too much heat to enter, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. How energy-efficient windows work. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technology that addresses Arizona's unique climate challenges. Key features include low E-glass coatings. These special coatings reflect solar heat while still letting in natural light. They reduce the greenhouse effect inside your home. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple layers with insulating gas, like argon, in between slow down heat transfer, keeping cool air in and hot air out. Insulated frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, or thermally improved aluminum frames resist heat better than older wood or metal frames. Tight seals. Professional installation ensures there are no gaps for hot desert air to sneak in. Together, these features make your windows powerful energy-saving tools. Cutting cooling costs. In the desert in Arizona, air conditioning is not a luxury, it's a necessity. But running it around the clock gets expensive. Energy-efficient windows make a real difference. Lower energy bills. By blocking out more heat, your AC doesn't have to work as hard, leading to noticeable monthly savings. Even indoor temperatures. Rooms stay consistently cool instead of hot near the windows and chilly in shaded corners. Less strain on HVAC systems. With reduced workload, your air conditioner lasts longer and requires fewer repairs. For many homeowners, the investment in energy-efficient windows pays for itself in energy savings within a few years. Added comfort and protection. The benefits of energy-efficient windows go beyond lowering bills. Reduced glare. Low E coatings cut down on harsh sunlight, making it easier to enjoy natural light without eye strain. Furniture protection. Advanced glass filters UV rays, helping prevent fading of carpets, upholstery, and artwork. Quieter indoors. Many energy-efficient windows also reduce outside noise, a welcome bonus in busy Arizona neighborhoods. These comfort improvements make your home a better place to live while still saving you money. Choosing the right windows for Arizona homes. Not all energy-efficient windows are created equal, so it's important to select options designed for desert living. Look for Energy Star rated windows suited for the Southwest region. Choose low solar heat gain coefficient (SHGC) ratings to block maximum heat. Work with local professionals who understand Arizona's climate and can recommend the best options for your home. Professional installation is just as important as the window itself. Even the most advanced products won't perform well if installed incorrectly. Final thoughts. In Arizona's desert climate, where the sun beats down for much of the year, windows play a major role in your home's comfort and energy use. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the most cost-effective improvements you can make. From cutting cooling costs to protecting your interiors and improving overall comfort, these windows are a smart investment that pays off every month. If you're ready to lower your energy bills and enjoy a cooler, more comfortable home, consider upgrading to energy-efficient windows. With the right choice and professional installation, your Arizona home can handle the desert heat while saving you money year after year.